Hello, children. Very good morning to all. Hope you all are doing good. So, children, in last video we have learned about the measurement of length. So, how can we measure properly about that we have learned? Hope you all of you have understood. As we cannot do our regular classes, for that reason I am teaching you by showing your book. So please children, when you are listening this video, please open your book at the particular page and please listen carefully. Because it may happen that when we are uploading this video, its quality will decrease. So the letters cannot visible properly. You might have noticed these things. So children, today we will learn measuring the length of a straight line, which is very easy because in your mathematics classes, mainly in geometry class, we have learned to draw a line and measure its length, isn't it? So, I hope that all of you will understand it properly and easily. After finishing this measurement of length, we will go to another measurement things. Before that, we will complete this. So, don't worry, children. Step by step, we will learn. And after completion of this lesson, I will make another video to summarize it so that you can easily understand. Don't think that it is very difficult chapter. We cannot understand it. See, physics is such type of subject which is related to our daily life. So, you can easily understand it. Let us discuss about the measurement of length of a straight line. After that, we will discuss the measurement of length of a curved line. So children, here one figure you can see. This is your page number 19. Figure 2.7 is written here. See, one scale is there, which we can also tell as ruler, and one line is drawn. So you have to find out what is the length of the line. We already learnt that we are measuring the length by using our what units? Meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter. These units are used accordingly the size or distance of the things. So as we are measuring the length of a small line, so here we are using the centimeter scale. In order to measure the length of a straight line, keep the scale in such a way that the graduated edge should be placed close to the line. And the zero mark of the scale coincides with the one end of the line. So children, first you draw a particular line by using your scale. Identify its two end points. Then you have to put the scale in such a way that the graduated edge should be placed close to the line. You can see over here. And put the scale in such a way the zero mark of the scale coincides with one end of the line. Then keep your eye exactly above the point from where the measurement is to be taken. So here you can see three eyes positions are given. The middle one is your correct position of the eye. So you have to see the line that is in front and in line from where you will measure it. But the position of A and C are wrong position of the eye. You should not see the point like this. So B is the correct position of the eye. So from the point you observe, then record the reading, and the reading is correct only when your eye is positioned at B only. So here you can see the reading, it is coming nearly 7 centimeter. Okay. This thing you can do at your home also. Draw a line, use your scale and take its reading. So children, it is very easy. You can write by your own words. The first step is you have to draw the line. Second step is you have to place the scale in such a way that their graduated edges should be placed close to the line and 0 mark of the scale coincides with one end of the line. And the most important thing is our eye should be at position B, which is the correct position of the eye. Okay children, hope you all of you have understood this. Now we will learn how you can measure the curved line. By using directly scale, we cannot measure the length of a curved line. For that reason, we are using a thread or a divider. In this example, here one thread is used to measure the length of the curved line. Next class, I will teach you how you will measure the length by using your divider. Here you can see MN is given one curved line. Okay, which is not straight. You can see curved line is drawn by like this. Consider a curved line MN whose length is to be measured. You have to measure the length of MN. By using scale, you cannot measure it directly. Take the thread and put a knot near one end point of it. Put the knot end of the thread over M. Place the thread along the line till the point is reached. Okay children, here you can see the blue colored line is the thread and black colored is your line. So you put one thread and put it in such a way that one end is at the point M and another end is at the point N. And you have to place the thread along with the line. Now stretch the thread on a measuring scale and measure its length accurately. After putting in this way, you point the 2 points and straight it. When you will stretch it, it will become straight. Now you take one scale to measure it. Like you are measuring the length of a straight line, in the same way you measure the length of the thread also. Here you can see we are measuring the length of the thread by using the scale. Now you can identify the length of the curved line. Okay children, hope you all of you have understood these two things. Here you have to measure the length of a straight line and measure the length of a curved line by using thread. Another process is also there. By using a divider also you can measure the length of a curved line. Hope all of you have understood properly. So slowly we will move in this lesson. If you have any doubt, then please tell me so that I can again explain. Because you all are not here, so I cannot know that either you are getting it or not. Okay children, stay at your home, stay safely and read properly. Keep on reading. Okay, don't neglect anything. Thank you.